Y'all, I'm hyped. So, in this here, okay, first of all, let's address my nails. I got the dip powder and I wanted them off because, I don't know, I just got irritated with them and wanted them off and started peeling them off, and I peeled off a little piece of one of my nails, so this one hurts, and I'm gonna have to go get the rest of these taken off today. However, in this golden package, we have some serious long-awaited makeup that I've been wanting to try for forever, and this company did a back-to-school bundle of makeup and I could not resist. I don't know how long this is going to be going on, which is why I could not pass it up, but I'm going to leave the information on this side and also a link down below. But I got Crayon Case makeup. I'm so excited. So this is their back to school package bundle of makeup that they have. For those that don't know, the Crayon Case makeup is #1 Black owned, and it is also cruelty free makeup, and everything is like crayon school type of feel, elementary basic type of feel. And when the owner, she calls herself Super, when the owner Super did an interview, she made this so that people can feel okay to mess up, you know, okay to step out the box, color outside the lines, be bold, use different colors and just mauves and earth tones and stuff like that. So I've been dying to get my hands on this. For a while, the crayon palette was sold out, so you couldn't get your hands on it, but it is now back in stock. She put a post up on her Instagram and it had the back to school package on. Basically you were getting everything in this bundle that was like school like. So you got the backpack, which is here. We're getting ready to go in and see all the stuff that comes with this. Okay, so I'm standing up doing this, so this is gonna be kind of hard. I should have sat down, but I was way too excited, okay? Alrighty, so here is the Crayon Case pencil pouch, as they call it. Nice and big, bigger than my head, so that you can get a little size comparison. Nice and big, clear. That's gonna come in handy. We have, I'm gonna just toss this stuff down. Contouristion notebook, which is supposed to be made like a composition notebook, but for contouring. So there's that. Nice. Everything. Y'all, I love the theme of this stuff. I love it. It's so cool how they came up with this. So that's just inside. Nice and chocolate girl friendly. We have the Crayon Case colored pencils. There is Black Rank, Bear, Plum, Magenta, Nudist, and Coffee in here. So a total of 2, 4, 6 different pencils that you can use for eyeliner or lip liners. You get these 7 pencil brushes. Here's the casing, and y'all, this casing is beautiful. Everything about this is beautiful. It literally mimics school supplies. It literally mimics school supplies. So you got those brushes, and those brushes are mainly for like eyeshadow. We have the Add Lashes, which is like a calculator. Y'all, how stinking cute is this? Here's the Add Lashes. I'm gonna try to pull these out real quick. Oh gosh, these dramatic lashes. Yes, 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 yes. I'm so excited. I cannot explain how excited I am. I would scream, but I don't want to wake nobody up. This is a brush cleaner. We have the Honor Row highlighter. Y'all, look how big this highlighter is. It is bigger than the, what's that other highlighter? The Chrome something something. I don't know if it's by Maybelline or not, but there's one highlighter that I saw someone compare this to, and this is like at least twice as big as that. Trying to get it out, having a little difficulty. Here it goes. Gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter. I am new to highlighting, so this should be fun to experiment with. We have the Eyeshadow Primer, which mimics a glue. This is what it looks like. This is the eyeshadow primer. We have these little eraser-like sponges. I've seen people use this for under eyes, applying any type of powder that they might have. We have the New Rule, which is an eyeshadow palette that is all nudes. Again, absolutely love the packaging. Love, love, love. So there's all the different names and different colors. We have the Watch Me Blush palette, which can double as not only a blush palette but also an eyeshadow palette. Let me slide this out for you. Boom. So there it is. There's all of those. Also has a mirror on there. So nice colors to use for blush, and like I said, you can also use it for eyeshadow. I've seen it be used both ways. This is the Limey liquid eyeliner in black. So this is basically just like a felt tip eyeliner. So it kind of looks like a Sharpie. How cute. Kind of looks like a Sharpie. And it's a, like I said, black liquid eyeliner. Do a big drum roll. Oh my gosh. The big finale. The box of crayons eyeshadow palette is here, honey. It is huge. I did not expect for it to be this big. Oh my God. Y'all, and I did stalk the mailman in my robe. Honey, I was standing on the porch like this, looking down like where is my box, okay? I was getting the little notifications it was out for delivery. And then, hold on, wait, can we talk about fast delivery? I ordered this Sunday morning, not Sunday night, Sunday morning. I saw it on Instagram, like I said. I contemplated while I was at work all night because I work third shift, and then I came home, was like, forget it, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. It is $180, just to let y'all know, but it's $180 flat. There was no taxes, free shipping on it as well. And and when I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it, I did say that if I got this, I had to cancel my BoxyCharm, because $180 worth of makeup should suit me just fine for a long time. I shouldn't need no extra. Y'all know that I already got the Beauty Bakery. This pretty much with all these eyeshadow palettes, I don't need nothing else. So I did cancel my BoxyCharm to get this. Some decisions had to be made. I thought about it, came home Sunday morning, made the decision, and I went ahead and purchased this, and I am so happy. So here is the inside of the infamous box of crayons eyeshadow palette. Let me just scoot up for you guys. There are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 different loud colors in this palette, as well as a huge, look how huge this mirror is, a huge mirror on there. Y'all, the colors of the eyeshadow palette are literally the colors that they are. There's everything in here. There is literally everything in here. Mostly shimmers, but also mattes. These colors over here from Boom 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 are all mattes, and then from Boom 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 are all shimmers. So I can't wait to dig into this. Y'all know that I am new to makeup. I am new, I am open to trying things, and I'm just ready to get my hands dirty with all of this. Y'all, all of this makeup, all of these eyeshadow palettes and different tools and so on and so forth should keep you set for your back to school needs. All of my college girls, y'all, like let's be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and do the math for you. If you divided all of this stuff up into the $180 that you spent, that's basically like paying less than $10 for each of these items. You can't get that nowhere else. You cannot get that nowhere else. Y'all know good and well palettes start at least $30. So let's be real. Grab this bundle, save you some money, boo, and support a Black owned business, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. Please, 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 please leave me comments down below if you already have this palette. Leave your Instagram so I can see what creations that you've done, because I'm totally new to colors, totally new to stepping out of the mauve palette. So show me what you have been working with when it comes to the Box of Crayons palette, so that way I can try some different things for you guys. If you haven't got this and you want it, also let me know. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.